There are various kind of gem mines in Sri Lanka. There are land mines, tunnel mines and river mines. The most difficult mine is river mine because it wants to work against the water wave. This video illustrates you about the gem mine in Sri Lanka at Ratnapura district. Each and every gem mine there is a leader. This leader calls Basunna in Sinhala. Before do the work, he explain each and every step what want to do today. Most of the time, the leader wearing a red color cloth to identify to others. In the river mines, they have to sink under the water and bring the illam out. There are some specialized person go under the water without any air support. They are using a stick go under the water. They are being soil out after that. There are two logs either side of the gem mine. Once they come out from the water, they are using that two logs to rest at the water. The long tail memeti they are using digging under the water. This is one of the traditional way still doing in Sri Lanka do the river mines. River miners have to work very hardly compared to the other miners. One person was the soil to find gems using a rattan basket. It is a very specialized rattan basket only to use was soil to find gems. There are specialized persons to sow in this basket in this area. One person sink under the water and bring soil to a basket and give it to a washing person. Washing person wash it in a specialized way. This is the illam basket bring under the 20 feet depth from this river mine. The washing person washed the illam into a rhythm without going to gems out. He using the both hands to rotate the basket with the rhythm.
Go.
In river mine can find sapphire such as blue sapphire, yellow sapphire and gewder very oftenly. Most of the gems are getting round or oval shape. Very seldomly find some crystal gems too. Now you can imagine how difficult to sink under this muddy water without any equipment and find valuable gems. Sometimes they are waiting 5 to 10 minutes under the water without any equipment. Most of the time, the leader is the person who sinks the water with a supporter. To get this experience in live and be with one day with gem miners in their gem mining area, we are invite you to join with us with our tour. Give you a vacation to good value. Gain to most unforgettable experience in your life. To buy your natural gems directly from a gem mine. Don't hesitate to contact us.